Okay, I picked up a 30 amp 50 ohm dummy load, 100 watt load from 0 to 500 megahertz, which we use for connector tests for antenna standing wave ratio, things of that sort. It's new, and I could just assume it's 50 ohms. So here's a quick test to see if you're getting what you bought. Okay, here's a quick way to test the impedance. Let me just zoom in. In the beginning, you basically saw two pigtails coax. I had a 50 ohm connector on port 1. On port 0, I had a 50 ohm load. Okay. Now, basically, I have everything turned on still, but it's just a quick one. If you look at the green S11 Smith, the impedance is reading 53.14. I know there is inductance and capacitance involved, but that's not what we're looking for right now. And this is at 50 kilohertz to 900 megahertz scan. Let me reduce this. To 3.5 to 30. The impedance is 52.89. Let me switch to 144 megahertz. The impedance is 53.7. Let me go to 430 and 450 megahertz. The impedance is 56.27. So that dummy load that I have, which basically we often use for testing our system, is reasonably accurate. And it doesn't matter what band I'm testing on, I know I'm going to be around the 50 ohms. And it also confirms that it's not defective. You don't know what you get until you test it. So, real quick way. And the frequencies are bands that you're going to operate. You can save it and you can just switch back and forth. And you do have readings of other stuff, but when you're only looking for one, no need to removing everything. It's done that quick.